Let's roll. MPC Sac Show 2012. We have Masters 35 plus first place winner Tamara Sedlak, correct? Okay. So you're up there getting first place. How'd that feel?
Absolutely wonderful.
So you were like in heaven, cloud nine right now.
Yeah. The best feeling in the world.
In front of a sold out crowd. How long have you been competing?
I started in March of this year.
First year competing?
Yes.
Okay, so how's that been for you, the adjustment to the dieting and the nutrition, the training?
Absolutely, it's been a whirlwind. I did USA's and placed fourth there, so I came here. Now I'm going to Atlanta to see how I do there.
Awesome, we'll be looking out for you. So has anybody helping with you with this, or are you doing this on your own?
Jennifer Kahn helps me at UFC Gym. She's my trainer, my coach, my friend, and I couldn't do it without her.
So a little bit of everything to help you out there, get you through it. Yeah, good stuff.
And Neil Spruce with .Fit, they sponsor me all my supplements.
Oh, nice. Okay, so you're going for the overall now, feeling confident, good to go, you're looking great.
Yeah.
Yeah, good stuff. Okay, so good luck.
Thank
and we'll
you.
see you soon. Thank you.